Imagine a world where the invisible hum of the quantum vacuum, once thought to be empty, holds the key to unlocking boundless energy and innovation. From powering advanced propulsion to computing, these vacuum quantum applications are pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. This isn't science fiction, it's science unfolding before us. We are diving deep into ongoing research, exploring how this mysterious force can shape our future. Want to join us on this journey? Take a closer look at our latest findings. We are open to your thoughts, your ideas, your feedback, which could light the way forward.